Alright, YouTube watchers, we have an update on the pedal. As you already see, I have the 8 foot light fitter on there. I've also gotten the new receiver in the mail. The old receiver over there is the one that doesn't work. And as you can see, it's an Emerson control. Start off with the light. And it has a LED bulb in there currently, and it has dimming features on this remote. So you can see I can get pretty dim on it. So that's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and start off on speed 1. This is a 4-speed Emerson control. Low speed on this fan is very nice, very aesthetic. We only draw 0.26. It's not a lot of current draw. I do want to give a shout out to Emerson. Thank you for the warranty replacement. Got here in less than a week, and I really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and go to speed 2. Speed 2 would go a little bit faster, but not much. Drawing 0.31. More of a usable low speed. Speed 3. Guess to a medium. I'm going to draw 0.47. And of course, speed 4 is high speed. 0.8. Very nice. So I'm going to go ahead and drop it back down to 3. See just where I get to. Alright, so it goes to 0.47. Let's see what it stays at speed with. Oh, it's a good medium actually. It works. So overall, I'm very happy with that. Through the power, turn the fan off. And yeah. Either way, since I have all the parts and this fan's back in the original condition, all I have to do now is repaint it. Who knows when I'll get to that. Just, I'm glad I got it at least working as it should, and I have a 4-speed remote that works for it now. So, thanks for watching.